What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today I have a 2015 Ford Fusion, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. If it's your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. These are the type of things that we do. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. So, without further ado, man, this first part right here needs to come out. It's going to be this trim. I'm going to kind of stick my hand right up under it. Kind of pop that up. It's only held in by clips, so there's one clip in the there we go. All right, so that's that trim piece right there. Gonna set that down to the side. So next, this piece comes off, and I don't know, the whole thing actually needs to come off. Oh well, we got it. Take that off. Boom. All right, so we did that to that side. Now let's do the same thing to this side. All right. All right, so now we got both side panels up. There we go. Held in by clips, just pops off. All right, now pull this out. Be very, very careful. This part is really, really thin, but it is only held in by those clips. I'm just gonna go all the way around, taking the whole thing off. There we go. Set that down real quick. Got 1 7mm right here, 1 7mm right there. Let's get those out. Let's go ahead and take these two at the top too. So now, pop that from the bottom. Get those out. All right. And so, got those two harnesses down there for the AC. Take these harnesses out for the, just so I can have some room to work. Set that down right there. There we go. 1, 2, 7mm. Gonna take those out. And there we are. So like I said, you guys earlier, this is a removal only video. I'm actually hooking up a line output converter. I'm not actually putting in a radio, but I had to get back to the back because this is one that does not have the amp, and I need to get to my speaker wires right back here in the back. If you guys want to know how to hook up a LOC or any type of line output converter, I have plenty of videos in my how-to playlist. I will throw a couple over here in the cards for you guys. Other than that, if you guys want to be a furthermore supporter of the channel, that Patreon link is down in the description. So if you want to do this but want to know the wire colors for your car, I will provide you with that type of information. But other than that, man, if you found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. No product links in the description, but the Patreon link is in the description for those who want that furthermore help and chance to win some car audio. So till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.